The new 2024 Cayenne has a new way of operating the headlights. You can cycle through each of the headlight options by selecting the Headlight Button. As you continue to press the button, it will move down the menu that is popped up in the instrument cluster. You can also turn on the fog lights by selecting the Fog Light button. You'll notice it's been activated by the amber lighting. If your vehicle is equipped with HD Matrix Design LED headlights, that vehicle will also come with auto-dimming high beam. You can adjust the high beam by turning it on and off by using the blinker stalk. You push forward to turn the high beam on, and you pull back to disengage the high beam. If you would like to adjust your exterior lighting, select Vehicle, select the Settings icon, Vehicle Settings, and then Exterior Lights. Now you can set the light delay time. This is the amount of time in which your lights will stay on after locking the vehicle. On this menu, you can also turn on and off the welcome and goodbye animation. This is only available for vehicles equipped with the HD Matrix Design LED headlights and the exclusive design taillights. Also available here is the automatic high beam adjustment activation. Just check the box if you would like for it to be activated while you're driving. Automatic high beam assist uses a camera to detect oncoming vehicles. If a vehicle is detected, it will switch to low beam until the vehicle has passed. At that point, the vehicle will resume high beam coverage.